Hey, Eddie Skinner, the mortgage pastor with Storehouse Mortgage. Just want to give you a little bit of insight into what happens with a builder's lender and just some of the precautions. Obviously, we'd rather serve you than have you go to a builder's lender. I want to tell you a story about my nephew. My nephew bought a home 3 or 4 years ago now, and he went into the builder, did not talk to myself or my son, his cousin, and the builder told him, if you use our lender, we're going to save you about $10,000. And so he said, man, I want those incentives. And so he signed a contract with them and purchased the home. He wanted to refi about a year and a half later when interest rates dropped. And so we began doing the work on it, had great credit scores, and we found out he was in an FHA loan. And so we asked him, why'd you go the FHA loan route? And he said, I know, that's just what they told me. Unbeknownst to him, most lenders make more money on an FHA loan than they do a conventional loan. So if you can go conventional, it's better for you if you're strong enough. He was strong enough. Second thing that we found, we ordered the appraisal. We were going to get him out of his PMI. We were going to readjust his interest rate. We were all excited about doing the refi to help him get out of that FHA route. Ordered the appraisal, and 2 years after buying, when values in Houston and Texas have been going up, he was upside down $20,000. The builder's lender works for the builder. That's who butters their bread. That's who takes care of them. They're going to work for the builder over you as a client. Because we work for you, we're going to protect you against something like that. So if we order an appraisal and it comes in low, that's going to keep you from being upside down like my nephew was. And so just want to encourage you. And we would love to be your lender. Obviously, that's how we get our business. That's how we stay alive. Had one other client once that said, man, they're giving me $3,500 towards closing if I stick to their lender. We got their loan estimate from them, looked at the pricing, and the builder's lender was charging $3,800 that we didn't charge, but they were giving a $3,500 credit. And so I explained to the client, I said, hey, in essence, you're paying $300 more to use the builder's lender than we would, because we don't have that 1% fee on there. So, and I'd love to talk to you, love to give you some good, honest assessment of what's going on. Whether you're working with a builder's lender or just buying a house, Eddie Skinner, Storehouse Mortgage, 832-347-8261. We would love to help you make a wise decision. All right, take care.